Ever stared at your growing to-do list, feeling like you're juggling a dozen tasks in your head? Wishing there was a simple visual way to bring order to the chaos? Maybe you've even heard whispers of a magical tool called Trello, a place where you can organize anything from your grocery list to a full-blown marketing campaign using colorful cards and boards. But then the big question pops into your head, the one that often stops us in our tracks when exploring new tools. How much is this actually going to cost me? More specifically, how many people can actually join my Trello workspace without me having to reach for my wallet? That, my friends, is exactly what we're diving into today. Forget the lengthy introductions and corporate jargon. We're getting straight to the heart of the matter. The wonderful world of Trello's free plan and just how many collaborators you can bring along for the ride. Now, before we reveal the magic number, let's take a quick detour and appreciate why this question is so important. Whether you're a student coordinating a group project, a small startup trying to keep everyone on the same page, or a family planning a vacation, collaboration is key. You need a central hub where everyone can see tasks, understand responsibilities, and track progress. Trello, with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and visual board system, offers exactly that. But the value proposition truly shines when you can bring your entire team or group into this organized space without immediately hitting paywalls. Imagine this: you're launching a new side hustle with a couple of friends. You need a place to brainstorm ideas, assign tasks for building your website, manage your social media content, and track your initial sales. The thought of paying a subscription fee for each of your collaborators right from the get-go can be daunting, especially when you're bootstrapping. This is where the beauty of a generous free plan comes in. It allows you to experience the full power of the platform with your core team without the initial financial burden, letting you focus on getting your venture off the ground. Similarly, think about a study group working on a complex assignment. You need to share research, divide sections of the work, review each other's contributions, and keep track of deadlines. A shared Trello board can be a lifesaver, providing a clear overview of who's doing what and when. The ability to add multiple members to this board for free ensures that everyone has access to the information they need and can actively participate in the process. So, we understand the importance of free collaboration. We know Trello offers a visually appealing and effective way to organize tasks. Now, let's finally answer the burning question. How many people can be on Trello for free? The answer is an unlimited number. Yes, you heard that right. Trello's free plan doesn't restrict the number of members you can invite to your boards and workspaces. You can have 2 people collaborating on a simple project, or you can have 100 members managing different aspects of a larger initiative, all within the free tier. This is a significant advantage and a key reason why Trello has become such a popular collaboration tool. Unlike some other platforms that limit the number of free users, Trello focuses on providing core functionality to as many people as possible. This allows teams of all sizes to get started and experience the benefits of organized collaboration without immediate financial constraints. However, it's important to understand the nuances of Trello's free plan. While the number of members is unlimited, the free tier does come with certain limitations on other features. These limitations are designed to encourage larger or more complex teams with advanced needs to consider their paid plans. So, what are some of these limitations? Let's take a look at some key aspects. Workspaces. In the free plan, you are limited to 10 active boards per workspace. A workspace is essentially a collection of boards and members. While you can create multiple workspaces, managing numerous workspaces can become cumbersome for larger teams. Power UPS. Power UPS are integrations that add extra functionality to your Trello boards, such as calendar views, integrations with other apps like Slack or Google Drive, and custom fields. The free plan allows you to have 1 power-up per board. While 1 power-up can be useful, teams with more complex workflows might find this limiting. File attachments. The free plan has a 10 megabytes limit per file attachment. This is generally sufficient for documents and smaller images, but it might not be enough for larger files like videos or design assets. Custom backgrounds and stickers. While not critical for functionality, the free plan offers a limited selection of custom backgrounds and stickers to personalize your boards. Paid plans offer a wider variety. Advanced checklists. The free plan offers basic checklists within cards. Paid plans unlock advanced checklist features like assigning members to individual checklist items and setting due dates for them. Templates. Trello offers a library of board templates for various use cases. While the free plan provides access to many of these, some more advanced templates might be exclusive to paid plans. Butler automation. Butler is Trello's built-in automation tool that allows you to create rules, triggers, and actions to automate repetitive tasks. The free plan has limitations on the number of Butler commands you can run per month. Support. Free plan users have access to Trello's community support and help documentation. Paid plans often include priority email support. Views. The free plan primarily focuses on the board view. Paid plans unlock additional views like timeline view for project planning, table view for spreadsheet-like data organization, calendar view for visualizing deadlines, and dashboard view for high-level progress tracking. So, while you can indeed have an unlimited number of people on your Trello boards for free, it's crucial to consider whether the limitations of the free plan will impact your team's productivity and workflow. For smaller teams with relatively straightforward needs, the free plan can be incredibly powerful and sufficient. You can still organize tasks effectively, assign responsibilities, track progress, and collaborate seamlessly with as many members as you need. The beauty of Trello's free plan lies in its accessibility. It empowers individuals and teams of all sizes to experience the benefits of organized collaboration without the barrier of user-based pricing. This allows you to focus on what truly matters: getting things done together.